Trail to the Temple, How to Play. The object of the game is to have the most points when either a drone or explorer reaches the temple. Lay out the LiDAR map board and place the drone markers and temple on their corresponding spots. Shuffle the jungle tokens and place them face up in a meandering path around the board ending at the temple. Mix up the location tiles, then place one tile face down underneath every 12th jungle token. Place the 3 explorers at the start of the path. Shuffle the deck and deal each player 5 cards. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from others. Place the remainder of the cards face down as a draw deck. The most adventurous looking player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, play 1 card from your hand to a face-up discard pile, then advance the corresponding explorer forward along the path towards the temple, the indicated number, jumping from one jungle token to the next, collecting the final jungle token the explorer lands on, leaving the explorer in its place. You end your turn by drawing 1 card from the deck. If the deck runs out of cards, shuffle the discard into a new draw deck. If you collect a drone token, then move 1 drone of your choice the indicated number of spaces towards the temple. All other tokens have no effect when collected, but determine points at the end of the game. As the game progresses, jungle tokens may get left behind the last explorer. After you have moved, if a token is left behind, then all tokens behind the last explorer get removed from the table and returned to the box in the order from furthest to closest. When an artifact token is removed in this way, then move its matching drone 1 space forward for each artifact on the token. All other removed tokens have no effect. If you collect the token on a location tile, then flip over that location tile and do what it says. Once a drone or explorer reaches the temple, the game ends and points are scored. First, determine the explorer who is closest to the temple and the second closest by counting the unclaimed tiles in between them and the temple. Each explorer token you have is worth the points on the left if that explorer is closest to the temple, or it is worth the points on the right if that explorer is in second place. An explorer token for the explorer in third place scores no points. Ties among explorers are upgraded. Whichever explorers are tied, all upgrade to the higher position, which will result in no explorer being in third place. After scoring explorers, determine the order for the drones which is closest to the temple. Each player adds up all the matching colored artifacts on their token and scores points based on the rank of the matching drone's position relative to the temple. For the drones in first and second place, their artifacts score double points. For drones in third and fourth place, their artifacts score single points. For drones in 5th and 6th place, their artifacts score 0 points. If any drones are tied, then all tied drones are counted in the higher rank. To determine ranks, first determine the first and second rank and double their points. Then determine the 5th and 6th rank and zero out those points. Any remaining drones in between score single points. Supply crate tokens score 1 point for each supply crate on them. Finally, the player who moved the drone or explorer to the temple earns a bonus 5 points. Tally up the scores and the player with the most points wins. If it is a tie, then the tied player with the most supply crates wins. Still a tie, then the tied players share the victory. To play the game solo, you will play against the Institute of Ancient Cultures and the Rainforest Relics Conservatory. During setup, do not use the location tiles. At the end of each turn, after removing any left-behind tokens, remove the furthest away jungle token and set it aside for your opponents, not to the box. If you removed a drone token in this way, then advance the drone that is the furthest from the temple the indicated number. If it is a tie, then advance all the drones 1 space. When the game ends, pit your score against your opponents with them using the set-aside pile of tokens to calculate their score. Both adversaries score the same, except the Rainforest Relics Conservatory earns 10 points for each supply crate instead of 1.